I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram account compromised. So basically, if you're facing this problem, then whenever you open your Instagram, it's going to say Instagram compromised. There might be multiple reasons behind this. The first reason could be if you guys have signed in into your Instagram account into another account. So let's say you are using an app where you need to log in into it using your Instagram account, or you linked your Instagram account with some fishy app like Instagram Cleaner, or you linked it with Instagram Instant Unfollower, which helps you unfollow a lot of people. If you guys have linked your account with all of these apps, then what you need to do is delete those apps from your phone. Once you delete those apps, basically try to open your app like your Instagram after 1 or 2 hours, and it should work. Sometimes it could be a bug which is trying to cause this problem, so you can just literally delete your Instagram and reinstall it again, and it should fix it. And the other case could be that your Instagram has been logged into many times from many devices. So let's say a lot of friends are using your Instagram, they're logging in from their device, and your Instagram is being logged into from the same time from multiple devices. So let's say you have one Instagram account and 10 people are accessing at the same time. Then Instagram might think your account is being hacked, and to save your account from being hacked, it's gonna say account compromised. So if you're facing that kind of problem, you need to stop using Instagram from multiple devices. Make sure you log out Instagram from every device and log in from only one device, and it should work. All right, in that case. And sometimes when you post your story, you can link websites or apps on your story, right? So let's say I've done this activity many times. So let's say you just add a link to a lot of stuff many times. So let's say you post 10 or 20 stories in a day, and all of those stories you just post links. What Instagram is going to think is it's a bot activity, and you're trying to scam people, and you're trying to sell your stuff in Instagram. Instagram doesn't care if you're trying to sell stuff in their platform, but if you just post link up a link up a link up a link, multiple links every time you start spamming people, then Instagram might think it's a bot, and they'll compromise your account thinking it's a bot. All right, so try to do that less. Try to just post 1 or 2 links in a single day. Don't try to be excessive 10-20 links in a single day, then Instagram might think it's a bot activity. And if you guys have posted something on your bio, you can click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, and on your bio, if you have written something weird, if you have written rough words or shown rough emojis, just those things, then Instagram might compromise your account thinking you're doing something dirty. So for that, you can just clear all those dirty things in your bio. All right, doing that should fix your problem.